왜 왔냐면요. 제가 항상 그 업로드하는 슈팅 프랙티스 잉글리시 비디오를 찍으려고 왔습니다. 그러면 지금부터 Let's get it! 오늘의 주제는요. 여기 이렇게 여러분 셀레나 고메즈 알죠? 셀레나 고메즈가 미국에서 팝 가수인데 그분의 가치관과 신념이 저랑 좀 많이 비슷한 것 같아서 그분의 영상을 많이 찾아보다가 스피치 영상이 있었는데 그 스피치 영상을 연습하는 영어 비디오를 오늘 찍을 거예요. 편하게 봐주세요 여러분. 그럼 한번 시작해 볼게요. Guys, how are you today? So good to see you guys. So you guys have a good night. I have to say that it's such an honor to be here. I'm like the nerd and I'm bored to my own speech. But I hope it's okay that I take this opportunity to really just spend with you guys and tell you a little bit about my story. I'm not an activist. I haven't changed the world or lead a campaign. I'm here to just tell you my path so that you hopefully can take something away from it. I don't like the being honest with the press and the interviews. I like being honest with you in a direct. But it's itchy on every one of you, and I'm just going to the start with the basic. So I'm 21 and my mom had me when she was 16, and I'm from the Texas, and she worked the poor job and complete dedicated her life into the making the mind better. So to me, she's the depiction of the strong woman. And I love her so much because she taught me but so much. Thanks guys. I have been acting my entire life. The point being is that when I was 7, I want to be an actress and I want to be live my dream. And when I was 11, I had the casting director tell that I wasn't strong enough to carry my own show, and I'm sure one of them have been told that you don't have the what it takes, and you may not be good enough, and you don't have the enough people supporting you, and you are being told of this thing when deep down is what you want to do. You want to be an actor of something great. You want to make something great, and it does more than knock the wind out of you and crush you. When people try to tell you that you're not good enough, and it almost did for you, but there was my mom next to me, stronger than ever. And she said the most important thing is more always trusting in myself. If I'm doing something because I love it, I should do it because I love it, and I believe that I can do it. So she taught me to keep going, and she taught me the trust the other back. And let's be critics, and let's us just trust ourselves. 2 years later, I got on the show, and the first thought was, oh man, the girl when I was 11 said that I wasn't carrying my own show, and I did. I mean, I thought about that for a little bit, but I thought about what my mom said. My mom was like, you have to trust yourself. And I realized that if I didn't believe that I could do it, I couldn't be able to be here. And I'm going to say, I live a very blessed my life. I have so much to be thankful for a lot of the you're the big part of the inspired me. It's because I don't think you get it, but you inspire me to be better, and we should inspire each other to be better. I'm surrounded by the people who are supposed to guide me. They pressure me. There's so much the pressure. You gotta be sexy. You gotta be cute. You gotta be nice. You gotta be all these things. And I'm sure you can all relate. Have the pressure that you have to deal with the every day. I'm sure at school, at work, with friends, with the parents, with the family, they tell me what to wear, how to look, what I should say. Until recently, I had to give into the pressure. I lost sight of who I was. I listened to opinions of people, and I'm trying to change it of who I am, because I thought that others would accept me for it, and I realized that I don't know how to be anything but myself, and all I really want you to know is that you are the change the world. It is important. I'm not changing the world. You are changing the world. And that's amazing. Please, just be kind to each other. It is important. Just be kind to each other. And love and inspire people. The most important thing is that we are learn and we are contribute to learn from each other. Please stay to yourself. Please just remind who you are and know that we have each other back. All of us have each other back. I have learned from my action, and for all the things I have done, I'm product of that. I have learned from my mistake. Figure out what type of friend you have. You are who you support yourself with. So I just want to say, I hope I can inspire each and every one of you to just trust in yourself, to love and to be loved. And thank you for allowing me to come up in and reminder talking to you guys. Be proud of yourself. One more time, be proud of yourself. This is great. Thank you so much for opportunity for me come out here and sharing my story with you guys. Thank you so much to you guys. I'm so happy talking to you guys. Thank you for listening to my story. And then be gentle each other, be nice each other, be love to each other. Bye guys, thank you so much.